Here's a short recap of part 6 of the Frogger mini-series. First, we created a new folder to store our textures and materials. Next, we created a material and we called it M_holographic. We went ahead and opened the material and we're going to be setting the blend mode to translucent. Then we added a constant 3 node and we plugged it into the color input. Then we chose a color, in this case it was a light blue. Next we added a Fresnel and assign remapped, a constant 1 and a time node, and then we connected them all and hooked them up to the opacity input to give it a nice holographic look. Finally, let's open the BP_moving objects blueprint, and then we went into the construction script. We created a for each loop to iterate over the control points array. For each iteration, we're going to create a static mesh component and then call the set static mesh and promote the new mesh pin to a variable called preview mesh. Then last, we created and called a set material function, and we'll use the new holographic material that we made earlier. Don't forget to select the add static mesh component node, and in the details panel, set the hidden in game to true and set it to use no collision, as this is a simple preview mesh to help with our world building. Compile and save the blueprint, and now when we add any child blueprint to our scene, we can get an instant preview of the mesh to make it easier to move and line up our objects. Stay tuned for part 7.